Now look, the angle is like this. Okay, this angle was like this. Doesn't work. You don't get the feather. Yay, Diane! I'm so glad you found Coach Kimmy. Tell me how you found me.
So I found you on Reels. And on Facebook there's Reels. And when I started seeing your haircuts, I'm like, that's how I want my hair.
You knew.
I knew, and I can't find anybody that does hair like that.
Now, when's the last time you had a really great haircut? How long ago?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
Are you ready for a transformation?
Yeah.
Yay! She's so ready. All right, stay tuned, guys. Get ready. You ready to watch this? Good. Watch this. Good. Okay. Let's look what angle that's on. Is that the right angle? Look, here we go. Let the comb guide. That is the right angle. And then let's come down because we're going to layer her more because she's got a lot of hair. I'm going to just tap, 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 get some of that bulk out. We got to get some of this bulk so it's movement in this hair. And right here especially, she's got a lot of hair. Got to get that off. This is going to be fun hair. And then we're going to tap. Let me show you. Tap, tap, tap. Look at the movement it has now. Her curls, she'll have such good curl. Now look at this is the hair that doesn't have any movement because it's too heavy. And look, her curl will just bounce right up. Look at that nice curl. Get that off. It's all the extra hair that gave her a headache, I want to say. You know, it just kind of is like you don't know what to do with it. It's just thick and bulky and helmety. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Now watch. Beauteous. Soft. Listen, those ends you want soft so they're flexible and they move. Okay, now we're going to go here. Oh my gosh, this is going to be fun. I love this. Now look, the angle is like this. Okay, this angle was like this. Doesn't work. You don't get the feather. And I'm going to show you where I'm doing it here too. The bend is right there. I'm doing it over the bend. Little, tiny. Get those pieces. See? Because now those pieces are not weighed down anymore. If this is all one length, it just goes flat. We take bulk out of there. These longer ones lay on the small ones. And look at already. Look at that volume that she has up here. Like, see how it already is like lighter? Right? We didn't do this part yet, but you see it. It just bounces up. This side is like, you can't get it to hold up. Just is gonna go flat. Okay, now we'll go to her next section. Do you know what section I'm on by any chance? 2, 3, 4. And this is 5. Yep, great.
How many times I see that a day?
I love that.
I'm like,
yeah, where am I? That's right.
3, 4 behind the
Beach ball, beach ball.
They're both on the card. Our names and also
Okay, look, now we're getting to the front. Look at that heaviness. Oh my gosh, there's no way that could feather. Listen, if it's all the way up here and you land that down, it's down low. She needs some volume like here. Look at how pretty. Look at that. It's gonna just swing back. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Diana's a fun one. She's excited. We're excited. Okay. And just look how playful that hair is already. Right? We already gave her an angle. Look at that nice angle. Just gonna do a little more right here. And it's heavy right here, okay? She's got a lot of hair right here. So we need to just do little tiny pieces, baby, 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 micro notches, just to pull some of that weight out. You could do with thinning shears. Just a little bit more. And then we're gonna also give her a beautiful piecey bang. So listen, we go in there. That's what she really wants. Look at how nice that is laid right there.
Do you have this under your?
Let me go here. I'm going to leave that for right now until we see if we need to do that more or not. I'm not quite sure just yet. Let me turn her around. Nice. It feels so good, right? When you see that weight come off. You're going to be able to like run your hand, your fingers through your hair, and it's going to feel so good.
So I've done keratin to get the frizz and the bulk out.
You won't, I don't think you need to, really.
Okay.
You know, you're going to want that volume in the body, and now your hair won't be so heavy to carry it. You could blow it out so much easier. Just feel it. I want you to feel this